letters?
What letter is that?
A.
A is for.
Apple.
What letter is this?
B.
B is for.
Ball.
What letter is this?
C.
C is for.
Cat. A duck.
What letter is this?
D is the duck.
D is for dog. What
Wait.
letter is this?
And E is for elephant.
Good.
Good.
What letter is this?
F.
F is for.
Frog.
What letter is this?
G.
G is for.
Gorilla.
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 What letter is this?
H.
H is for.
Heart.
What letter is this?
I.
I is for.
Ice cream.
What letter is this?
J.
J is for.
Chocolate box.
Jack in the Box.
Kid.
Great. What letter is this?
K.
K is for.
Cat.
Great.
Good.
What letter is this?
L.
L is for.
Lion.
What letter is this?
M.
M is for.
Monkey.
What letter is this?
N.
N is for.
Net.
Nest.
Next.
What letter is this?
D.
No. O.
O.
What letter is this? O.
O.
O is for.
O boy.
Octopus.
Octopus.
What letter is this?
P.
P is for.
Panda.
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 What letter is this?
This. Q.
Q is for.
Q is Y.
Q is for what?
Campbell. Campbell.
Hmm?
Campbell.
What letter is this?
I.
R is for.
Rabbit.
Rabbit.
Okay.
What letter is this?
F.
S is for.
Snake.
Snake.
Wait.
What letter is this?
T.
T is for.
T is boy.
T is for.
T is boy.
For what? T is for.
T is boy. Mom, look at that.
Tent. T is for.
T is boy.
Tent.
Cat.
What letter is this?
U.
U is for.
But T
U is for.
T is boy.
U is for.
T is boy.
Umbrella.
Umbrella.
Oh. What letter is this?
B.
V is for.
V is boy. Violin.
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 What letter is this?
W.
W is for.
Is boy.
W is for.
Ayun naman.
Water.
Mate, mabilis mo naman. Tagal, mate.
What letter is this?
A.
No. What letter is that?
X.
X is for.
A.
X is for.
Look lang. X will die.
X is for.
X is boy.
Xylophone.
Elephant.
What letter is this?
Y.
Y is for.
Y is boy.
Y is for.
Y is boy.
Ano? Y is for
Y is boy.
yellow.
Yellow.
What letter is this?
This.
What letter is that?
Z.
Z is for
Z is, Mommy, W.
Z is for
Z is for
zebra. Zipper. Good girl.
Good. Mommy, what's on the W?
W.
Oh, wonder the W.
W.
Mommy.
Hmm?
The maybe.
Yay, good girl.